This is a quick unboxing of the Torcman order I made the other day. They're selling the FEMA. And yeah, this, in fact, this is for another motor. Is to tow. This is the fast system 08. We will be talking later. This is for another gliders. This is the ring for the ASW15. I get the support of the engine, which goes on the ring. In the front, I wanted to put a axis support to hold the end of the axis towards the spinner. This motor is the NT528 14-pole. 12W fast system is the one with the long axis. It's a big piece, long axis. You can change the axis if you wish. You have the M5 in the back, M4 in the front to screw the engine. Beautiful. And the weight of this Torcman is around 719 grams precisely. For this motor, I bought the ring, the LK 7190 millimeters, and this is all for M4 screws. And for the motor support is the 71 as well, but it fits with the two different screws here, the 59 and the 71 size. And this one is made for the NT530 motor. To mount the motor inside the fuselage, it goes like this. The ring is glued on the fuselage, and the motor holder is on the motor and on the rings. You make a tight fit, very precise, and easy to install. And since the nose is quite short on the ASW15, I thought it was good to keep this axis with this length. I think you can adjust it. There is some screw here, 3 or 4 screws that you can remove or adjust the size of the length of the axis. You can buy by the millimeter as well, or by centimeters, the axis as you wish. For the ASW15, I will install this epoxy plate with the ball bearing. Is a 54 millimeters in the nose, and the engine with the support of 90 millimeters. Everything is glued in the glider. Super nice setup, super easy to remove the engine. 3M4 screw to make the engine hold in place, plus the ball bearing in the front, and all the axis of the Torcman. This motor is for the ASW15, is a 5 meters gliders. Made a setup with ECAL. It's a 10 kilo 700 5 meter gliders with the altitude, the temperature, IBEX 130, the 12W, and it will be set up for the field with a 1410 prop at 10S. To reduce the battery size, because there was a DN2A with all the cockpit, is a 3005. Here is a 3003 on the ECAL. The performance around 60 amps, 8 kilos of static thrust. It makes 0.75 the difference between traction and the weight. The charge is 17.6 C, not too bad. Got light for the battery, and that's it. But this is for the field. But I want to launch this, I will say, heavy gliders on the slope. That's why I came up with the idea to to have a different setting for the slope. On the slope is the same setting, basically the same engine, but I would change the prop. Is 1810. This is the GM 1810 scales. Is beautiful. But of course, if I run this setup at 100%, I will exceed the engine by quite a bit. It's 3,750 watts, maximum 3,000 with the Torcman, but the traction is 13 kilos, nearly go vertical. Of course, I cannot take off like this, then decide to use this 1810, but will reduce to around 90% of the power of the on the ESC. If I go max power around there is 10 kilos, is still 1.1. This is the ring mounted on the motor with the M4 screw. Here as well is a M4 in the back. This is a 3D printed design, homemade design for the EBEX prop positioning. This is unfortunately the M5. They are quite big. I say that it will hold well the support, and the motor is ready to mount on the glider. This is the end of this video of the Torcman for the ASW15. If you like the video, thumbs up. See you soon on the next video. Ciao.